Hello everyone. Here is a math problem that looks complicated at first, but what if I told you you can solve it in a just few simple steps? Let's crack it together. Simplify the square inside the root. The given expression in the square root 7 square plus 3 raised to the power of 4. First let's calculate 7 square. We know that 7 square is 7 times 7 is 49. Now adding 3 to it gives 52. Now the expression becomes square root 50 to the power of 4. So our expression simplifies square root 50 to the power of 4. Now we know that the square of something raised to the power of 4 is simply that number squared. So we can rewrite this as 50 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Applying the square root on both sides. Using the exponent rule, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. M into n. We know that 2 ones are 2 to cancel. We get 50 to the power of 2. Solve the exponent 52 to the power of 2. We have to multiply 52 2 times. We get 2704. So the final answer is 2704 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.